How to find or recover deleted YouTube videos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google. Simply search on apps and click on Drive. If you have added the video that you deleted, you will find it on your Drive if you have uploaded it to your Drive. Or simply open Gmail and make sure if you sent the mail to anyone with the video. If yes, you will be able to see the videos here. Or simply open folders of your laptop and here you will be able to see if it was saved on your device. Or what you can do is simply open a tab on Chrome and search web.archive.org. In here, enter a URL. Simply paste the URL of the deleted video that you have. If you have linked to the video, you can simply paste it in here as you may have sent link to anyone. As you can see, this page is available on the web, so it is not showing. But if it was deleted, it would have shown in here. And this is how to find or recover deleted YouTube videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.